In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to enable dark mode in Airtable using the native web app method. Airtable is one of the most flexible database and project management tools out there, but if you spend hours staring at a bright white interface, your eyes can really start to strain. Switching to a dark theme can make a world of difference, especially if you work late at night or in low-light environments. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll want to be sure you're logged into your Airtable workspace in a web browser. This method works perfectly on both desktop and laptop computers, and it's the most straightforward way to change your theme without needing any third-party extensions or browser hacks. So go ahead and open up Airtable and make sure you're on the main workspace view, the one where you can see all your bases listed out. Once you're there, look all the way up to the very top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile avatar, that little circle with either your photo or your initials inside. If you're using a team workspace, it might show your profile picture or a default icon. Click directly on that avatar or those initials, and a drop-down menu will appear. This is your main account and settings hub, so you'll find a few key options here, but for now we're focused on one in particular. From that drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option that says Appearance. It's usually listed somewhere near the middle of the list, right alongside things like your account settings and your profile details. Click on that and a new panel or submenu will slide open. This is where Airtable gives you control over the entire look and feel of your interface. You'll see a few different choices here, but the most important one for our goal is the theme selector. It's typically shown as a few large buttons or radio-style selections, and you'll see options like Light, Dark, and Use System Setting. Now, to instantly switch your entire Airtable workspace to dark mode, simply click on the button that says Dark. You don't need to save or confirm anything. The change is immediate. You'll see the background shift from that bright white to a deep dark gray, and the text and interface elements will adjust to a lighter color for high contrast. It's a clean, modern look that's much easier on the eyes, especially when you're working with lots of data or managing multiple bases. One thing I really love about this method is how fast it is. You're not digging through complicated settings menus or toggling obscure flags. It's literally 3 clicks from your workspace. Click your avatar, click Appearance, click Dark, and you're done. But there's a nuance worth mentioning. If you're someone who uses Airtable on different devices throughout the day, you might want to consider the third option I mentioned. That's the Use System Setting choice. When you select that, Airtable will automatically follow whatever theme your computer or operating system is set to. So if you have your laptop set to light mode during the day and dark mode at night, Airtable will switch right along with it. This is a huge time saver if you don't want to manually change the theme every time you sit down to work. It's also a great way to keep consistency across all your apps if you prefer a unified experience. Just be aware that this option only works if your computer's own theme settings are configured correctly, so make sure your OS's dark mode toggle is set to your preference. Now, a common pitfall I see beginners run into is thinking that this setting only applies to the specific base they're viewing. That's not the case. The dark mode setting you choose here is applied to your entire Airtable account, across all bases, all views, and all workspaces you have access to. So once you switch to dark, every base you open from that point forward will display in that theme. It's a global preference, not a per-base setting. That's great because you don't have to keep switching it back and forth. But it's also something to remember if you ever share your screen with a colleague who prefers the light theme. They'll see your dark interface on their end, but their own account will remain unchanged. Another tip, if you ever want to revert back to the light theme, you can follow the exact same steps and just click light instead. The appearance menu is always just 2 clicks away. By the end of this video, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Airtable using the native web app method, saving your eyes from strain and giving your workspace a sleek, professional look. The biggest benefit here is comfort, but it also helps with focus. Dark interfaces can reduce glare and make your data pop a little more. As a next step, I'd recommend exploring the other options in the appearance menu, like adjusting the font size or the density of your rows to further customize your workspace. And if you ever need to switch between themes depending on your environment, you now know exactly where to go. Thanks so much for sticking with me through this tutorial. If you found it useful, please save the video or revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher, and I'll see you in the next one.